Hello everyone, just Thiru here from Master the Markets. Just a very quick update. I'm just looking at the non-farm payroll numbers. What we do have over here is the non-farm employment change, which gets released on the first Friday of every month. And you can see that over here it's pretty much neutral, but however unemployment rate is red in color, so that basically means that it's a negative result. Therefore unemployment rate has increased, which is not good for the economy. Now let's see how the markets are moving. As you can see, we would usually recommend people not to trade around news, basically, because the volatility of the market and because price really moves erratically during them, the emotions are very quite high. So here we can see a very typical example on how price moves when actually deep impact news such as non-farm payroll is now released. You can see this massive bar over here. Now let me just zoom in into this so that you can see it much more clearly. So we can see over here this massive bar here that we do have just when non-farm was released at about 1:30, and this is cable over here. Okay, and there's just a new one forming here. You can see the rapid movement here that is happening. Look at price jumping here just quickly, and how the bar is forming up really fast. So that's actually on cable. In fact, this is a very good example also to say that not exactly price should correlate to how positive or negative the result is, because remember that the result came out pretty much neutral because the color was black on Forex Factory, but however the unemployment rate was negative, okay, which is not good for the economy. So but however in the first 5 minutes we didn't really see that dipping down and following with the news. In fact, we saw a massive green bar, so you can see how we just can't jump into the just the result of the news itself. We just got to look at key levels and whether if they break them or not. Yeah. On cable, you see on our analysis over here, it's a downtrend according to the squares. We can see that looking only for certain key levels to break in the market, and those key levels are still not broken. 15675, and then on the 1 hour time frame, looking pretty much at 5772. So none of them are broken, so I wouldn't not get in even though the news says otherwise. Only looking for a downtrend really. Okay, right, so that's pretty much the quick update. Now let me just show you maybe perhaps another currency that, let's see how it's reacting to the news. How about dollar Swiss over here? We can see that in the 15-minute time frame over here, you can see a massive, let me just zoom in into that. You can see a massive seller bar here, and then it's just pulling up as well. So you can see how erratic the market can be, especially when we have got deep impact news like that. So therefore I would say recommend you all not really to trade immediately around news, especially, and also just to look at overall trend, have a correct system, and then follow your plan. And it doesn't matter whatever news that is, only when it breaks those levels then we enter it. Okay, alright, so that's all from me. Just want a quick update on the news and trading, and also how the non-farm payroll here today has affected the markets. Alright, that's all from me for now. Take care and bye for now.